Hello everyone, I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's Odds and Ends. If this is your first time here, be sure and subscribe and click on that bell icon to be notified of all of my new videos. Also, give this video a thumbs up as it really helps the channel out. And now, on with the video. Well, we're in line for the first ride of the day. Going to try to get on Alien Swirling Saucers. That's Laurie's favorite ride. And they have a Christmas music overlay because we're here in December. So we'll see. The line says 30 minutes. We'll see how long it really takes us. Looks like we're going to be up next. Yeah, the wait time was pretty accurate, just right at about 30 minutes. Evidently, we're experiencing some difficulties about what car we're supposed to be in. We're ready now.
Hey, howdy there, toys. Please remain fully seated in your rockets with those face coverings on at all times. No lap sitting, and have a great swirl.
The other direction. Whee! Oh my goodness. Oh my God. They need to put some padding in here. Well, we survived and didn't get picked up by the claw. That's all for now. We'll catch you on the next ride. This has been an odd production. Thanks for watching.